as we had informed you earlier also on the registration of case, after the incident, all the agencies had reached to the spot, police, fire and the concerned officials, and that 25 dead bodies were taken to the hospital immediately. And as far as the investigation is concerned, we have arrested till now 5 people. All are from the management of the nightclub. And regarding the owners and the partners of the concerned nightclub, we have opened the LOCs and the blue corner notice, and coordination with CBI and Interpol is also going on so that we apprehend them, and they brought the 2 of them who fled India. We are in the process of getting them back to India, and the other accused also which are in our radar, teams have been formed and sent to different parts of the other states also, and we are after them to put them behind.
मैडम अभी जो पाँच एक्यूज अरेस्ट किए हैं ना होटल मैनेजमेंट के मैनेजर्स, उनका रोल क्या था उसमें?
Actually, they were the operational managers. They had to manage the day-to-day affairs. One had to look after the basic operations, electrical things are put in place, and the fire extinguishers are there. So they were the operational people who were, and each manager had the specific role of the operation of the nightclub. So their role was also found negligent.
So due to negligence they are arrested.
5th accused, we arrested him from Delhi, and he has landed in Goa, and he will be produced in the court.
Ma'am, you said the other people are on our radar. Can you just elaborate on more?
Because we have not yet arrested them, and we are after them. So all of you know that they are the owners.
How many people are you looking for?
3, you know the names, that they are the owners, and the
Third
others.
name, who are in the
मैडम
Ajay
अजय गुप्ता का
also-
रोल क्या है इसमें?
Yes,
He is
he is
also
also
one.
one of the partners. So in the documents we
Ajay
found
Gupta.
his name also. So
No.
he is also one of our accused, and other people are also there.
Madam?
Who will be arrested. As in our investigation, if we get to know their negligent act also, they would also be arrested.
Madam, you have asked those suspended officers of government of Goa to report police station to join the investigation. So did they join the investigation?
Yes, they have joined
They
today,
gave the statement.
and we have interrogated them.
All 3 of them.
2 have joined
Who
today.
are?
We'll give you the details. We don't
Okay.
want to take
So
names.
similarly, madam, whoever IPS officers who have stopped earlier police officers to do their duty, they will also be called.
This is a hearsay, I suppose. I'm working on whatever is coming in the documents, and as per our investigation.
You will be calling those.
If there is any, if we get anything in any investigation,
Yeah.
we are-
But as per documents.
Any,
Yes.
yeah, anything about conflict, ma'am. That if you get this thing, anything during the investigation, you will call those IPS.
No, please don't put.
No, that's why I'm asking. That's why I stopped her.
So right now I have told that whatever role of the people are coming on record, we would call and interrogate them.
Ma'am, the
मैडम अब
third.
तक किसी ऑफिसर को बुलाया इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए?
The 2 officers, the deputy director, those we've.
Ma'am, the third person didn't turn up despite of issuing notice. So any further action against?
Yes, we'll give him another opportunity to join, and then we'll see.
The secretary has not turned up. Ma'am, secretary has not turned up.
No.
Secretary has not turned up. Both this thing, former Panchayat director and Pollution Control Board
They
members,
have
they
joined.
joined.
Ma'am, with the role of the owner of the land.
Yes. We have to talk to him. Record his name.
There was one partner with Luthra brothers called Ajay Gupta.
Yes.
Has he been called?
He is one of our accused.
Accused.
We are after him.
Okay.
And we've opened his LOC also. We've issued warrants against all 3 of them.
Ma'am, now action is being taken. Properties are being sealed, but very particular location, the Burj, was also reported as something which was not allowed, which had many violations under place, and police were also informed about that. Then why it took so much of time to take action?
Police was informed.
मैम look
about
There
all.
were
मैम
multiple
25 लोगों की
complaints
जान
of illegal
25 लोगों की जान जा रही
illegalities
थी,
that,
पुलिस ऑफिसर्स को भी इसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन थी, एक्शन लेने के लिए क्यों देरी कर दी गई है?
नहीं, ये आप किस तरह से कह रहे हैं कि पुलिस ऑफिसर्स
मैडम
को बताया
क्योंकि
है?
क्योंकि
क्योंकि
कई
लाउड
सारी
साउंड
social-
के लिए सब लोग ओपोज कर रहे थे, प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे थे, इधर ही प्रोटेस्ट हुआ था तभी
साउंड के खिलाफ
हाँ।
पुलिस टेक्स एक्शन. Whatever action is done, we take the action.
But during that course of time-
डिपार्टमेंट में वागातोर के रोमियो लेन के बारे में कंप्लेंट की हुई थी, लेकिन फिर भी वहाँ पे किसी भी तरह का डिमोलिशन अभी तक हुआ नहीं, लेकिन अभी वहाँ पे पुलिस पहुँच रही है. तो ये
Police पहुंच गई है. What do you mean by that?
Authorities
वहाँ
पहुँच
सब
गई।
authorities,
अभी authorities the-
inspection,
Let every
सब जारी
authority
है.
do their work. Yes. Every authority would do their work, whatever is required.
Madam, there are questions about the role of the Surinder Kumar Khosla.
Yes,
Yeah.
he is the owner of the property, and he is also one of our accused.
His name doesn't exist.
Yes.
Has he
We
responded to your summons?
No, not.
You have issued them summons,
Yes.
right?
Is he in India?
No. We checked. His LOC has also been opened.
LOC is out.
He is not in
He is a British citizen.
Yes.
Ma'am,
When did he
you are
leave the
tracking any
country?
financial
That
trace?
travel details we are seeking from them.
You are tracking any financial trace of
Yes, we are. We are taking the help of the institutions, and yes, we are doing that.
लुथरा ब्रदर्स के बारे में क्या अपडेट्स है फिलहाल अभी?
आपको ये बताया मैंने कि उनकी LOC खोल दी गई है. वो लोग इंडिया में नहीं हैं, और हम लोग CBI और इंटरपोल की मदद से उनको वापस लाने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
But how do they
Ma'am,
flee
इसमें-
away? They were in Goa by this
No, they
course
were
of time.
not in Goa on the incident.
Ma'am,
इंसिडेंट
besides these three
Mudra-
government employees, what about the other employees who?
See, this is investigation. As and what investigation comes, we'll take their statement.
Which
and
are the
see.
major departments that you all are looking into it?
I cannot comment right now. It is part of investigation.
After the incident took place, after 25 people died, and while there was fire, when were the owners contacted by police?
Immediately, we saw the records of the owners, and we tried to trace their location, and we were on the job that way from that very moment.
मैम
Were
did
they-
you मैम
were
did you
they on call with you?
ma'am-
Where were they when?
No, we do not call them, like we were tracing their location.
But ma'am,
ma'am,
FIR was
did you-
registered after 9 hours, I think.
मैडम जब
FIR
इंसिडेंट
was registered after 9 hours, I think.
No, the incident was around 12.
12.
And we had to take, all of us were on the scene of crime, scene of place of incident, and yes, it took around.
As per record, FIR is registered around 9 o'clock in the morning.
Yes, we took so much of time, yes.
मैडम जब ये इंसिडेंट हुआ
After
था
the fire,
मैडम
when exactly were the owners contacted by police?
Why? So this is something our
लेकिन-
investigation. Why would you tell?
मैडम
We-
मैडम जब ये इंसिडेंट मैडम ये
No, we the